Homes are slowly coming to the market, and they're going under contract just as fast this past week. It's Friday, May 26, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Cecil, Wicomico and Queen Annes counties show moderate buyer activity, and Dorchester County activity rose to steady activity. Worcester, Somerset, and Talbot counties remain slow, while Caroline and Kent counties are limited. Homes available on the Maryland Eastern Shore rose again this week to 1,105 for sale. 121 homes came to the market over the past week, which is up week over week. 68 homes are coming soon. 97 went under contract, a 42.64% increase since last report. 112 went to pending, up 25.78% week over week. 160 properties sold, eking up by 1 to 14 days from hitting the market, and at list to sold ratio of 98.5%. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Ocean City for $1,790,000. Available rentals rose again this week to 73 for lease at $1,995 per month. These are going under application in about 20 days. Well, that is a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 26th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and enjoy the Memorial Day weekend, and I'll see you next week.